Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Canadian Chums This and That. Today we're going to be reviewing a Far Cry figure made by Ubisoft. The Father's Calling. I haven't played Far Cry myself. I heard it's pretty good. So we're just going to do an unboxing of this lad, the Father. See what we're going to get here. Pretty cool. Like some of my other things, I actually picked this up for a good price, guys. He is good with his arms up, 12 inches tall, no doubt about it. Let's just open it up here. Now me, I'm just a fan of collectibles no matter what they are. You never have enough, right? So, let's pull him out. Comes with an insert inside. It's like a church. Alright. Stuff this back in here. Alright. Back to the task at hand. Here's Father. This is pretty cool. Good solid PVC. Comes with a assault rifle. I don't know what that is. Some kind of staff. He is a bust, more or less. He is not articulate. Nothing on him moves. It's pretty much a statue. Bust Lust. Very well detailed tattoos on this. Yep. Little pistol holder. What we got here? 2018 Ubisoft Entertainment. Let me know if you guys want me to take him out or not. No use making you sit here and watch me undo all the twist ties. But I just wanted to get a quick look at all these. Oh, it looks like those glasses might possibly even come off him. Well, this is a really cool figure overall. 10 out of 10. Very good detail, very good quality. You pick it up at the Ubisoft store or at your local EB Games or GameStop if they're still available. Anyways, yeah, any questions, comments, like, subscribe, and if you guys have any other interest of stuff that you would like to see unboxed or reviewed, let me know. Thanks again for watching Canadian Chums This and That.